Okay, children. So electric current and its effects, I would like you all to note down some important terms and then we will start with the activity again. Got it? So please take out your notebooks and let's note down these. I have written here on the board. Just watch it. Please note it down quickly. We have the symbols which are required to understand the working of a system. So here, first of all, we have, please write down quickly, electric cell. Electric cell means this kind of a battery. This is an electric cell. So if you watch it carefully, all of you can look at the cells which you have. Here it is a positive sign. And here you can find a negative sign. Okay? Positive and negative. And if you check your remote, you all have remote at home. Here we have two cells. And if you check it out, if you just remove it, here inside you will find it is mentioned plus and minus. Similarly, here also you will find plus and minus, but they are in the opposite direction. Just have a look. They are in the opposite direction. You all can get your remotes and check it out. Let's do it practically. What happens here? Get the remote of your television. All of you have it at home. Run, 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 my dear. And just see. Find plus and minus, and here minus and plus. They are opposite. Remove the cells. Yes, that's fine. Remove the cells. Now put the cell inside. Here it says plus on top. So this side will go away from spring and this smooth surface will go with the spring. Here. This ways. And it will go in the opposite direction. This ways. So here when you will click, you can see the LED glowing, isn't it? This means that your system is working well. Sony, get the remote. It should not be a difficult task. Here it is. Got it? It glows. But when you will put it in the opposite way, just try it. Dono cells ko same direction mein dalo. See here. Put both the cells in same direction. Come on. Do it. Put both the cells in same direction. And now press it. Is it glowing? I'm pressing it. Is it glowing? No, because these have to be adjusted in positive and negative terminals. Yes, it has to be opposite to show it. It has to be in positive and negative terminals. We cannot have two positive terminals together. Got it? Yes, Chirag, have you got your remote, beta? All right. So here, please note down electric cell. Here, if you see, it's positive and negative. The bigger line is the positive terminal and the smaller line is the negative terminal. Second is battery. So if you see battery, how is the battery associated? Here, one longer line and this one is a longer line here with this. This is the negative terminal. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Just check it out. It is this ways. Rasleen, please write it down now. I want everyone to note it down. I'm going to ask you to send me the notes very soon. Very good, Aryan. Here, switch off. Ye aapki wire. This is also wire. And here, if it's disconnected, so your switch is off. Here, if it's connected, your switch is on. These two dots refer to the connection of the switch. Okay? Next is your bulb. Here is the bulb on. When these lines are there, it means the bulb is glowing. And this is the bulb off, where there is no light. Nothing is glowing. So here it is off. And this straight line refers to the, okay, Chirag, I'll see that also. This straight line refers to the wire. Very neat, Yatharth. Virat, show me your work. Martin, Rasleen, show me your notebooks. Okay, very good. Yes, Swastik Verma. Ridhima, very nice. RN, show me your notebook. Iti, that's very neat. Okay, fine. Rasleen, you can show me. Harshita, you didn't write the words. Show me the words also. Okay, fine. Yes, I can see now. Yuvraj, show me. Abhav. Good one. Very good, Abhav. Now we'll make a circuit. An easy circuit. Let's draw a simple circuit. Come on. How to draw a simple circuit now? One line. This is your ये आपकी wire. This will be the battery. Negative and positive. Here you have the bulb. Here you have the bulb. It will glow when this system is on. Switch on. So the bulb will glow. If we will make another, and here we will leave the switch open. Battery is there. But our switch is open. Means switch is off. The connection is broken. There is no connection. So what will happen? What will happen? This is a circuit diagram. This is a circuit diagram. But when the switch is on, the bulb will glow. When the switch is off, the bulb will not glow. Is that clear to everyone? He has made a working model of the structure. We'll see that also. And we will discuss the circuit diagram as well. I hope you all have done this much. Circuit diagram, this is on and this is off. Here the bulb will glow. Here the bulb will not glow. Very good. Okay, children. Right. So now here again, we are going to talk about our wire. This is a small LED bulb. This is a small LED bulb which is not glowing right now. And here with this wire, I have taken out the inner copper structure. If you can see it here, this yellow one is the covering to keep it safe. Very good, Iti. I can see your bulb glowing. Just a minute. And then here, I'm gonna put it on this side. You should not try it with a bigger bulb because that will be risky. So here is your bulb. So Astik, can you see it? Bulbs will glow because this battery is functioning well. So here we can see that the bulb is glowing. So this you can try, simple activity, and this is not harmful. This is not going to affect you. And the current which is flowing is so less that I can bear it. It's not going to harm me, right? So I can bear it. And on the other hand, if we take this one, a bigger one, here we need a bigger battery. Show you. If I put this inside, this bulb can glow, right? This bulb can glow with the help of electricity. But if I'm touching it here with this, if I'm touching it here, it is not glowing. It is not glowing, but I can feel the heat. If you will try it, if you have this, but yes, you have to be careful. It is not going to give you a heavy shock. Here, if you'll put, you can feel, you'll have to try it. If you will press it harder here, it will be hot after some time. You will feel that it's hot. But this may not glow because it requires more amount of watts. Here, if you see, it's mentioned here. What is the capacity of this? Here, just read out all the details given on the cell. Here, the brand, the ISI mark, the plus and minus. You should see what are the various things written here. That is going to give you an idea. This is a AA battery. Just see AA. Whereas the battery which I used here, these are, just read out. Is it AA or what? Message me. It's what is it? Let me see who answers correctly. What's the difference? Yes, Pranav is right. Pranav is right. This is AA battery, whereas this is AAA battery. Okay? Yes, this is thicker and this is thinner. These cells we use in our remote controls and these cells are used in our wall clocks. Okay? So they have a different potency. So here if you see, you will read out 1.5 volt. Here this one is 1.5 volts. So this is the measurement. How do we measure the capacity of a cell? It may not be effective to glow heavy items, but yes, it can be used to glow a lighter thing. Like this bulb, it can glow this bulb. It can also glow this bulb. So you must understand the difference of AA and AAA batteries. They are thicker in size, these are thinner in size, and their capacity means they both, otherwise they both have 1.5 volt. So they'll have the similar capacity. But yes, these are not used in, mostly not used in remote controls. Whatever remotes we use these days, right? So this was the circuit diagram and it was about your electric current. So anyone who has a doubt, yes, Manoj?
Excuse me, miss. Hello? Excuse me, miss. Miss.
Yes, Manoj.
Miss, when you put the
Yes, Manoj.
wires into... Miss, when you put the wires into the socket to light the high-powered bulb, Miss, for that, is there any risk or do you have to require protection gloves or something?
Yes, when we are dealing with this electricity, we need to be careful. But when we are dealing with these cells, it just have 1.5 volt. That is not going to harm you much, but you will feel the heat. You have to be careful. But when we are using these sockets, these are risky. That is why it is said that we should not keep them open. And you will find that there are young children at home, they keep inserting metal pins or coins inside. So we have to be careful that this plug should not be touched with wet hands. Pani nahi lagna chahiye. Second thing, we should not insert anything into it because they have a regular flow of electricity, regular flow of current, which may affect you, which may harm you. So there you have to take precautions for sure. But this one is a smaller battery, so this is not going to harm you, right? So Nilesh is ready with his project. Nilesh, I'm unmuting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nilesh, come on, you can see. He's ready with his activity.
Ma'am, as you can see, ma'am, we need a wire. Ma'am, we have to cut both of them. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Nilesh, continue.
Yes, ma'am. And we need a pencil. And for extra safety, I will use this electric gloves, ma'am. This kinds of gloves. So, ma'am, I'll wear them. Ma'am. And I'll take this pencil and I'll turn off the switch and I'll make a round of the wire around the pencil. Other also. Ma'am, now this is ready, ma'am. This is a type of a soldering gun. Ma'am, means
Okay.
hello. So, ma'am,
Yes,
means soldering gun is very it is very harmful, ma'am. So I have made this idea. I had invented this, ma'am. With this, ma'am, we will not get shock also, and ma'am, it is not also not that heated up. So, ma'am, I'll solder this bottle, this Bisleri plastic bottle. As you can see, ma'am, you can see a mark. Hello?
Just do it again, once again, because your camera was a little lower. We could not see you doing it.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, if you feel shock, ma'am, you can wear these gloves, ma'am, which I have got.
Right. Okay.
Ma'am, there's a mark.
Yes. Now, what is the use of this?
Ma'am, the use of this, means, ma'am, the soldering guns are very expensive, ma'am, and this has no cost, ma'am. Only we need a wire and a pencil and some extra glove protection. And ma'am, if that soldering gun may harm you, but this will not harm you.
All right. Thank you so much, Nilesh. Anything else which you have tried?
No, ma'am, I'll do one more experiment, ma'am, day before.
Okay, fine, Nilesh. We'll do it. Okay, so actually Nilesh wanted to tell you about a soldering gun, but you people are not aware what exactly it is. So we'll discuss about soldering gun because it helps in joining. So here he is able to show you how we can prick it, giving that electric shock. So we'll just discuss because this is not in our syllabus. So we'll talk about it later. So I'm ready. I'm sure that Pranav and Iti are ready. Yes, Ria?
Ma'am, when I tried with this
Ria, you have
smaller,
raised your hand.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, when I tried with
Yes, Ria.
this cell, and then I pressed it, See, ma'am, it's not glowing. But now, ma'am, my mother has helped me to make a circuit. See, I made it with LED bulb.
Oh, wow. So what have you used here? You have used the electricity?
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have
from
used
there.
the bulb,
Yes, but you have,
wire, and a
yes,
switch.
very nice. So you have understood the concept? If the switch is
Yes.
on, how does it? Why does it, why it stops? It stops because it doesn't have the continuity. That is why we face a problem. If there is no continuity, आपका जो connection है वो break हो जाएगा, so it will not glow. Got it? That is what the problem happens. Now there are two things here, beta, which I would like to share with you right now. We have two systems, series and parallel. वो आपके syllabus में नहीं है, but still I would like to tell you, series and parallel में क्या होता है? Series में, if the bulbs are placed in series and one of the bulb is not working, so क्या होगा? The whole series will stop functioning. Okay? But हमारे घरों में क्या होता है? You must have observed that if light of one room has gone, if suppose you have used a heater and that goes a short circuit, does the electricity of the whole house stops? Or it's only that particular room or that particular plug? What happens? I think somebody wants to answer me. Raise your hand if you have any, if you have answer to this question. Why does it happen? That do we have the whole electricity of the whole house goes away, or it's only that room or that particular socket? Yes, Aryan?
It depends. It depends upon means where is the electric current taken place. Like if it's in a socket, then only the socket of a
Okay.
particular room.
Put this.
There is some problem in the
Yes, try.
switch.
No, let me tell you, I'm telling you this only, कि these switches are not in series. अगर series में लगे होंगे, so all of them will stop in one go. But these switches are in parallel to each other. So उसमें क्या होगा? The connection is given in such a way that only one room is associated and only that will be affected. Maybe that particular socket will be affected. Rest of the appliances will not be affected. So this is how we put our switches in
Yes,
our daily routine. That is going to affect us. Anybody else who has glown? Iti had glown it. Iti, where are you? Virat, did you bring anything? Yatharth has done it. Iti, where are you? Yes. Here we have Iti. Iti, you can just share the LED which you have glown. Plus, you can just raise your hand, Iti. Yes, thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you're unmute. And you, yes, beta, show this LED which you have brought.
Ma'am, 1 second. I'll just clip it. Ma'am, till the time you
Yes,
can
Yatharth,
ask.
if you're ready with it. Okay, if you keep your working model. Okay, yes, Yatharth. And Pranav, are you ready, Pranav? Raise your hand if you're ready. Okay, with the socket, Yatharth, that is of course going to glow, but I wanted you to try with the battery also. Okay, Pranav, are you ready, beta? Right, children? So discuss about the circuit and the socket. Here we have Pranav, which wants to tell about the heart. So kindly double click on his screen. Yes, Pranav, you can start. That's a beautiful diagram, Pranav.
First, organ that pumps blood. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of our body, and the heart is located at the center of our chest cavity, but it is slightly tilted to the left side. And now we will study the parts of the heart. The parts are right atrium, right ventricle, septum, and valves. So we will discuss about the right and left side of the heart. The right side contains the blood rich in carbon dioxide, and the left side contains the is rich in oxygen. But since there are two kinds of blood, so there's a muscular partition called the septum, which separates the blood and prevents it to get mixed. And there are small muscular flaps called valves, which make the blood flow only in one direction. And now we will focus on some important terms like the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery. It is the blood rich in oxygen from the left side of our heart and carries it to almost all parts of our body. The vena cava is a large vein that collects all the blood rich in carbon dioxide from all the smaller veins and then empties that all blood into the heart. The pulmonary artery is a very rare artery because since all the arteries we know that carry the oxygenated blood, but it is the only artery that carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And the pulmonary vein is also a rare vein because all the veins carry deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. And the heart is four chambers. The upper two are the atrium or the auricles, and the lower two are the ventricles. Thank you. Ma'am, finished.
Is it done, Pranav? Beautiful, superb work done by him. So let's give him a round of applause. Quickly, unmute yourself. Yes, faster. How the clap. Very nice. Thank you so much, Pranav. It was really a wonderful heart, a beautiful diagram you had made, and an excellent explanation. So I'm sure all those who missed the previous classes have understood what is it. So Iti, if you're ready, kindly message me so that we can. So children, this was about the heart and about the circuit. And tomorrow, yes, Yatharth, indeed. Pranav, let me tell you, Yatharth and many other children have appreciated you a lot. They have mentioned beautiful comments and compliments for you. Thank you so much for showing us this beautiful structure. Okay, children. So this anyone who has a doubt, so I think I'll take up Iti's work tomorrow because she seems to be out of connection or something. Yes, any doubts now? Yatharth, any doubt, beta?
Can there be two negative terminals?
Beta, if we will do it, nothing will happen. It will not work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Iti,
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
unmute yourself. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I made this LED. Sorry.
Yes, show us quickly because we are left with only 2 minutes. Yes, so Iti's LED can also glow. Just show it, Iti. Show the bulbs as well, the battery as well. Yes,
these
she
are
has
the
used two bulbs, two batteries. She has connected them with the help of tape. And did you connect positive and negative terminal or negative and negative?
Ma'am, positive and negative.
Yes, so if you will connect positive and positive, you will not get the result. Very nice, Iti. And what about your working diagram of excretory system?
Ma'am, this was the working model.
Yes, just have a look, children. This is a working model. We will insert water from top.
Yes.
Beautifully done. Just show it, Iti. Yes.
Ma'am, it is going down.
This can be the blood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From the ureters, it will go down. But yes, of course, it's not purifying it right now here. But this is how it works. And it's a beautiful. If you just keep the camera back so that we all can see the model carefully, clearly. Yes, children. Have a look. Excretion in humans. She has put, yes, explain, Iti.
Ma'am, excretory system mainly consists of kidneys, ureters, and urinary bladder, and the urethra. So kidneys absorb the useful substances from the blood and remove waste in the form